Okay, and with the monthly income 1,400 baht, and you try to generate income, yearly income. Okay, so you have to look here, looking for the net operating income. So after you expend mortgage, you don't have a mortgage. Tax is dependent on your county and state assessment. And here, I just example property tax monthly, you pay for $104, and insurance 64 baht. Vacancy is usually the property have one move in, move out, you fix up, and then you try to find the tenant, and then you put your vacancy. Vacancy money is you can use 4%. It's like 54 baht, and repair 5% is 70 baht, and property management service you will pay for like approximate 10%. Okay, 10% is a month, 140. Okay, yes, the totals you expend is $432. So now you have a 1,400 baht. So you have to subtract 1,400 baht gross income, subtract 432 total expense, and you have 968 baht a month. Okay. So you want to know how the cap rate. The cap rate is mean the return profit. Okay, you use the monthly income. You times by 12. You times 12 and divide by 200. So you have a cap is 5.80 cap rate. It's not bad. You see, a year you can make 968. You times 12 months, you can make like 11,600 something. If the property you have a mortgage on, if you purchase a property a 200 value, usually when you're asking for the mortgage and the lender need you to put down 20%, 20% is mean 40,000 you have to put it down, and you make a loan 160,000 with the interest rate 6.5%, and then you divide by 12 months. By 12 months, so you have to pay for the mortgage 746.90 cents monthly. Your mortgage here, you have to pay a month $747. Okay, and tax is the same because of the same property, and we estimate like that is total 1,179 baht. That's your expense, total expense. Okay, so you have 1,400 baht monthly rental income, so you have subtract $1,179 expense, so you have monthly income is $221. Okay, so you want to know the cap return your income. So you use 221 times 12. You divide by 40,000. You remember 40,000 because this is the values of the house, and you make down 20%. It's just 40,000. It means you use 40,000 to invest for the rental property. So you have to do 221 times 12 divided by 40,000, the cap rate. You have 6.63. It's not bad. Okay. And if you want to know your property value, if you sell and you sold to the market, you have to use 5 net operating income divided by cap rate, so you will know how much property that you will sold in the market. Why we take time to investment with that? 200,000. You can use the 200,000 to buy the ugly house and fix it and flip it to the market immediately, and you make better than that. Look, you will see here. Here is the flipping house. Okay, see that. Look at here. Okay, you can use 200,000 for investment with the ugly house. Okay, example, like you purchase the property, 32,000 is the damage, is the ugly house. And then you hire the contractors to come to estimate for you how much of the materials can fix that, and how much of the labor is cost to do the job. Okay, it's cost like about 45,000. Okay, and then you need 5,000 for closing costs when you purchase it out. The total is come up like 82,000. Okay, it's not bad. It's not a 200,000. Okay, and when your property is fixed, ready, put to the market, you have to hire the appraisal to do the appraisal how much your property is valued to the market. And you have to hire the home inspection. Home inspection will let you know what missing and what you have to complete and what you have to fix that before you put to the market. It's no trouble when you sell buyer. Okay, and then you have to hire the realtor to take care of your property, to put to the MLS, advertise your property, such and such. It costs you 6% commission. Okay, and when your property is sold, you have to transfer 2% tax to the city and state. And in 6-month periods, when you put the property to the market, you still pay for the utility, insurance, and tax. Okay, all of this you have to calculate. It's come up to $13,860, and you plus 82,000 when you purchase the property. Okay, so when you add it up, it makes $95,860. So your property, you sold 127,000. You subtract $95,860. You see here, in 6-month periods, you make $31,140. It's better than 200,000. You go to buy the house and collect the rent. Like I told you, this is better.